I wanted to talk about our feedback using ZwitterCo reverse osmosis membrane for treated landfill leachate. The site I'm going to talk is owned by a small municipality called Sytraival. It was a small landfill that ceased operation in 2013. At that time, leachate was stored in a pond and it was just hauled by truck to the local municipal wastewater treatment plant. In 2017, the municipality launched a public tender, which has two main goals. First one, as always, was to reduce the treatment cost of the leachate. And the second one was to limit the consumption of drinking water that was used for residual on-site activities like truck washing or dust removal. And it was a tender for build, design, and operate contract. So Serpol was awarded this contract with a solution mainly based on a low-pressure reverse osmosis, combined with some prefiltration, like Brett talked about, and a final disinfection by UV for reuse of the water on site. So since the beginning of the operation of the plant, the reverse osmosis has very, very bad performance issues. We would observe a steadily increased pressure that require daily membrane cleaning, which had a very significant impact on the cost of the operation. We are needed to clean every day our membrane, which has an impact on the membrane life, and we had a very low recovery rate, so we were producing more concentrates than what we were expected. So Serpol has run a membrane autopsy of one of those elements, which has revealed mainly an organic fouling. So we tried different solutions, like using biocide, specialized cleaner with surfactant, or different type of membrane. But none of those solutions delivered any results that were convincing enough. So in early 2024, we decided to test the ZwitterCo membrane. Since our reverse osmosis unit was consisting of 3 pressure vessels in parallel, we decided to compare ZwitterCo membrane with the other brand that we were using. So we installed one vessel with ZwitterCo elements, and the 2 other vessels were using high rejection membrane by a different supplier. And we have run this test during 2 months. We that show, well, you can show on this graph the flux, so the production of permeate per square meter. And during the time of the test, we have run the test for only 2 months because, as you can see on the red curve, that is that the flux was decreasing more and more, and we had to stop because we weren't meeting our performance engagement with our contract. But on the green curve, you can see the ZwitterCo elements. The flux was quite constant during that time, and we didn't show any decrease. So we decided to find ZwitterCo elements on the 3 different pressure vessels. We are running the ZwitterCo elements since 7 months ago. And the results have been very, very positive because we have reduced the cleaning frequency from once a day to twice a week. We didn't change the membrane for 7 months. So before we were changing membrane every 2 to 3 months. So it was a big change for us. And we are now using some more traditional chemical cleaner products like caustic soda or acid chlorhydrics. Before we were using specialized chemical product that was a little bit more expensive. And the quality of the permeate is still good enough for on-site reuse, so we didn't have to change anything on the process at all. So yeah, on the site, in summary, we were very happy to change our membrane for ZwitterCo elements since it has helped us to reduce cost and improve overall our treatment performance.